Huwag nating tawaran yung kabutihan ng mga anak. Ang daming mga anak tuwang-tuwa. Nagpapasalamat sila sa Panginoon na nakakatulong sila sa mga anak. So let's not debate on whether it is a matter of obligation or a matter of gratitude or not. Let's just be very simple and realistic. Look at the substance, not really the language lang. Halimbawa, dito sa Pilipinas, we are not a well-developed country. We are still a struggling country. Ang dami parents na naghihirap. Kung tutulungan ako ng mga anak ko ngayon, I would welcome that. Not only because it will make me happy, because it gives me a great help. I am not that well off na hindi ko na kailangan ng tulong nila. But hindi ako pwedeng mag-impose na dapat ganito ang gawin mo. In fact, may mga parents na sasabihin, ganito ang sweldo mo, 50-50 tayo. 50% sa'yo, 50%. No, we should not do that. We should be confident as parents na to motivate our children to be more loving and to be more grateful. But imposing will not help. Values cannot be legislated. Goodness and love cannot be legislated. Mayroong kasabihan, values are not taught, they are caught.